Hello, back in my channel. Today I will going to orient you about how does the Burglar alarm system works. I will present to you my alarm system device. I am using a Zone Auto Dialer alarm system. The model is HA-266 made by EAI. So ito po yung master control console niya. At dito naman sa loob ng panel, nandoon na yung power supply at mga terminal block niya. So we have here the example of triggering system of the device. Instead of using the magnetic contact, glass break detector, panic button, smoke detector, and other detectors, we are using the motion detector. Ito po yung tinatawag na infrared. It is commonly mounted in the walls, guys. Kung makita nyo, para namang itong light, disguise na light. Sa ating local alarm output, we are using siren instead of a bell. So maya-maya, I'm going to demonstrate how does it works. This is the manual. So all you have to do is to follow the step-by-step procedure what was written in the manual. Inside the manual also included the alarm reporting chart, which you can see the block diagram of the installation. Another is the schematic diagram of the terminal block, which we can see inside the full metal box of your panel. So lahat ng mga instruction nandiyan na sa loob, written sa manual. Easy lang, guys, napakasimple ang configuration ng ating control panel console. To get the desired purpose of the system, first you have to program the panel from the system control console. Then you are required to do the programming mode. After all, we have already configured the triggering system of this unit, including the disarm command. Tingnan natin if it is working. Let's try it. So this is how the system works. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.